Now we will solve the exercise 1.1. Let's get started with question 1. Find the order of the following matrices. First, we will find the order of these matrices. First matrix is A is equal to 2, 3, minus 5 and 6. It contains 2 rows and 2 columns. So the order of A is 2 cross 2. Similarly, B also contains 2 rows and 2 columns. So the order of B is also 2 cross 2. C contains 1 row and 2 columns. So the order of C is 1 cross 2. And D contains 3 rows and 1 column. So the order of D is 3 cross 1. Next, E also contains 3 rows and 2 columns. So the order of E is 3 cross 2. And F contains 1 row and 1 column. So the order of F is 1 cross 1. And G contains 3 rows and 3 columns. So the order of G is 3 cross 3. And H contains 2 rows and 3 columns. So the order of H is 2 cross 3. Next we will see the question 2. Which of the following matrices are equal? In previous lecture we have discussed about the equal matrices. Those matrices would be equal if their order will be same and their corresponding entry is also equal. Then that matrices will be equal. So here some matrices are given and we decided whose matrices are equal matrices. Here A is equal to 3. Their order is 1 cross 1. And we decided which matrices are equal to A. So in all these questions we see C is equal to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is also 3. So C is equal to 3. So this is equal to the matrix A. So A is equal to C. Both matrices are equal matrices because its order is also same and their corresponding entry is also equal. So these two matrices are equal to each other. Next, B is equal to 3 and 5. And we see all these matrices and I matrix is also equal to 3 and 3 plus 2 is also 5. So matrix B is equal to matrix I because its corresponding entries also same and their order is also equal to each other. Next question, D is equal to 5, 3. So D has not any similar matrix. And next E, H and J. These all are similar to each other because their corresponding entries are also equal to each other and their order are also similar. So these three matrices are equal to each other. And next F and G. These two matrices are equal to each other because their order are same and their corresponding entries are equal to each other. Next we will be discuss the question number 3. Question number 3, find the values of A, B, C and D which satisfy the matrix equation. Here two matrices are equal to each other, so we will find out the values of their coefficient A, B, C and D. So firstly we know that if two matrices are equal then their corresponding entries are also equal to each other. Therefore A plus C is equal to 0, A plus 2B is equal to minus 7, C minus 1 is equal to 3, 4D minus 6 is equal to 2D. These are become equations. So we say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. We give them numbers. First we solve equation number 3. Because we see in equation 3 just one coefficient, so we can solve it easily. So C minus 1 is equal to 3, C is equal to 3 plus 1 which is equal to 4. So C is equal to 4. Next we solve the equation 4. Equation 4 is 4d minus 6 is equal to 2d. 2d is positive, and when we shift it on the left hand side, then the sign will be changed, and 4d minus 2d minus 6 is equal to 0. 4d minus 2d is equal to 6. Minus 6 shift on the right hand side, then it will become positive 6. And 4d minus 2d is equal to 2d. So 2d is equal to 6. D is equal to 6 by 2. 2 divides the 6. So the answer will be D is equal to 3. Now put the value of C is equal to 4 in equation 1. So equation 4 is A plus C is equal to 0. Put the value of C. So A plus 4 is equal to 0. A is equal to minus 4. And next put the value of A is equal to minus 4 in equation 2. So equation 2 is A plus 2B is equal to minus 7. Put the value of A is equal to minus 4 in equation 2. So the equation will be minus 4 plus 2B is equal to minus 7. 2B is equal to minus 7 plus 4. So 2B is equal to minus 3, and B is equal to minus 3 by 2. These are all coefficient A, B, C and D, and we solve it.